Connected vehicle tech links cars to people, other vehicles, objects, and cloud systems, displaying real-time 5G cloud signals through digital 3D screens, while integrating pedestrian avoidance and intersection strategies, traffic light recognition, and smart parking in a vehicle road cloud ecosystem, forming an AI-powered digital twin platform for autonomous driving in smart transportation, utilizing multiple sensors like ultrasonic, LiDAR, and stereo cameras, collecting traffic light, pedestrian, obstacle, and BeiDou satellite data, enabling instant wire-controlled acceleration, deceleration, braking, and steering commands, autonomous driving via vehicle infrastructure cooperation. Online courses cover intelligent perception, positioning navigation, and wire-controlled chassis, intelligent V6, and assisted driving with vehicle and road coordination, along with 40 lessons on systems like smart cockpits, requires 7 days of offline training. Completed hands-on tasks for 22 projects, such as smart sensor calibration, brake-by-wire, driver aids, and diagnostics.